I'm too lazy.
What the? Any comments on this unfortunate no fireworks tonight? Any comments, Dad?
No.
No comments?
Ass is
Any
big.
comments?
There
Your
you go.
ass is big.
I just saw something.
My what is what?
Your ass is big.
I saw a giant explosion.
Any comments?
Touch him
He
like
told me
that.
my ass is big.
No, he did not. And we don't
Oh,
talk like that.
what? I have it on recorded. Are you?
Screams are gone.
Why?
Oh, here we go.
It's funny.
Here we go.
Any comments on no BG fireworks tonight?
Yeah, I'm grumpy.
Okay, don't throw.
Taping this?
Yeah.
I'm grumpy.
Stop throwing grass at me.
Don't touch him.
Whoa!
Don't touch him. Do you understand that? Don't throw any grass at him. Don't. Stay away from
Here we go.
I have no comment on this present issue, but we're gonna address it in the future as we watch these people walk away in
At
shame,
what point
in
do
sadness.
we leave?
No.
I don't know. Looks like some people are leaving. Did you check the website?
No.
Dismay, stress. People are pretty pissed.
You don't talk like that.
Yeah.
What would Jesus do?
Jesus would swear,
Ryan,
not.
please.
Jesus would use words such as very upset. Okay, get your hands out of my way.
Nicholas.
Having fun.
People would be pretty upset as they head for the exit here. Good night.